Hello, myself Maheshwari. I am from BSc MPC first year from Government City College, Naipur. My topic is Bayes strain theory. Bayes strain theory was proposed by Adolf von Baer. In 1885, Adolf von Baer, a German chemist, proposed Bayes strain theory to explain the relative stability of cycloalkenes. First, we know what is Bayes strain theory. The Bayes strain theory was formulated when it was thought that rings were flat. It states that larger rings would be very highly strained as their bond angles would be very different from optimum 109 degree Fahrenheit. Next, we know what is angle strain. Angle strain is an increase in energy when bond angles deviate from the optimum tetrahedral angle of 109 degree Fahrenheit. Bayes strain theory. Baer postulated that any deviation of bond angle from the normal tetrahedral value would impose a condition of internal strain on the ring. The bond angle is of 109 degree 28 minutes or 109 degree 5 minutes for carbon atom in tetrahedral geometry. Baer observed different bond angles for different cycloalkenes and also observed some different properties and stability. On the basis, he proposed angle strain theory. The theory explains the reactivity and stability of cycloalkenes. Baer proposed that the optimum overlap of atomic orbitals is achieved for bond angle of 109 degree 5 minutes. In short, it is ideal bond angle of alkane compounds. Effective and optimum overlap of atomic orbitals produces maximum bond strength and the stable molecule. If bond angle derivates from the ideal, then ring produces strain. Higher the strain, higher the instability. Higher strain produces increased reactivity and increases the heat of combustion. Baer proposed any deviation of bond angle value 109 degree 5 minutes will produce a strain in molecule. Higher the derivation, lesser the instability. Baer theory is based upon some assumptions. All ring systems are planar. Deviation from normal tetrahedral angles results into unstable cycloalkenes. The large ring systems involve negative strain, hence do not exist. The bond angle is cyclohexane and higher cycloalkenes or cycloheptane, cyclooctane, cyclonone and etc. are not larger than 109 degree 5 minutes because the carbon rings of those compounds are not planar, means flat, but they are puckered, means wrinkled. All carbon atoms are sp3 hybridized. Expected bond angle is 109 degree 5 minutes. Here we can see the diagram of cyclopropane is looking to be a triangle. Its interior angle is 60. Then deviation is 109 degree 5 minutes minus 60 degrees is equals to 49 degree 5 minutes. Next we can see the diagram of cyclobutane is like a square. Its interior angle is 90. Then deviation is 109 degree 5 minutes minus 90 degree is equals to 19 degree 5 minutes. It exists as puckered ring conformation. Next we can see the diagram of cyclopentane. Its interior angle is 108 degrees. Then deviation is 109 degree 5 minutes minus 108 degrees is equals to 1 degree 5 minutes. Exists as open envelope conformation. Next we can see the diagram of cyclopropane which have deviation 49 degrees. Next we can see deviation in cyclobutane is 19 degrees. Here we can see same process for cyclopentane and cyclohexane. These assumptions helps to understand the instability of cycloalkane ring systems. The ring of cyclopropane is triangle. All the three angles are of 60 degrees. In place of 109 degree 5 minutes to adjust them into triangle ring system. In the same manner, cyclobutane is square and the bond angle are of 19 degrees. In place of 109 degree 5 minutes to adjust them into square ring system. The deviation for cyclopropane and cyclobutane ring systems, the normal tetrahedral angle will produce a strain in ring. The ring strain will make them unstable as compared to molecules having tetrahedral bond angle. So, cyclopropane and cyclobutane will easily undergo ring opening reactions to form more stable open chain compounds. Now compare the stability of cyclopropane and cyclobutane. The bond angle in cyclopropane is 60 degrees. The normal tetrahedral bond angle value is 109 degree 5 minutes. Therefore, the deviation is equal to normal tetrahedral bond angle minus actual bond angle. Since deviation is equals to 109 degree 5 minutes minus 60 degree, it equals to 49 degree 5 minutes. Similarly, the bond angle in cyclobutane is 90 degrees. The normal tetrahedral bond angle value is 109 degree 5 minutes. That's why deviation is equals to normal tetrahedral bond angle minus actual bond angle. Then deviation is equals to 109 degree 5 minutes minus 90 degrees is equals to 19 degree 5 minutes. Since deviation of cyclopropane is 49 degree 5 minutes and deviation of cyclobutane is 19 degree 5 minutes, the deviation is higher for cyclopropane than cyclobutane. Therefore, cyclopropane is more prone to undergo ring opening reactions. As a result of this strain is more in cyclopropane as compared to cyclobutane. It will make cyclopropane less stable than cyclobutane. So, cyclopropane easily undergo ring opening reactions as compared to cyclobutane. According to Bayer, the relative order of stability for some common cycloalkenes is as under: angle strain in cyclopropane. Here we can see the diagram of cyclopropane. In that 109 degree 5 minutes is tetrahedral angle and angle compression is 49 degree 5 minutes. In second diagram we can see the shape of the cyclopropane, and third diagram we can see some lines. The distance between two carbon atoms is 151 picometers and the distance between carbon and hydrogen atom is 108.9 picometers, and the angle between two hydrogen atoms is 115 degrees. And fourth diagram we can see angle strain in cyclopropane is 24 degree 44 minutes, and fifth diagram we can see angle compression in cyclobutane is 19 degree 5 minutes. Here we can see a table. In the table some compounds are there and interior CC angle and ideal CC angle, and angle deviation is calculated by ideal minus real. The compounds are cyclopropane, cyclobutane, cyclopentane, cyclohexane and cycloheptane. The interior CC angle for those compounds is 60 degrees, 90 degrees, 108 degrees, 120 degrees, 128.6 degrees. Ideal CC angle is for those compounds is 109.5 degrees. Is same for all. Angle deviation for those compounds is 49.5 degrees, 19.5 degrees, 1.5 degrees, minus 10.5 degrees, minus 19.1 degree. The stability order is cyclopentane is greater than, cyclohexane is greater than, cyclobutane is greater than cyclopropane. Limitations of Bayes angle strain theory. The successfulness of Bayes angle strain theory. The Bayer rightly proposed that cyclopropane and cyclobutane are flat molecule and having angle of 60 and 90 degrees. Those are much deviated from the ideal tetrahedral value of 109 degree 5 minutes. Hence, these ring systems are unstable and easily undergo ring opening reactions. There is much angle strain in cyclopropane and cyclobutane. Bayer also proposed that cyclopentane is not need to be planar, but it is planar, as in that condition the angle is much nearer to ideal tetrahedral angle. Unsuccessfulness of Bayes angle strain theory. Bayer was not able to explain the effect of angle strain in large ring systems. According to Bayer, cyclopentane should be much stable than cyclohexane, but practically it is reverse. Larger ring systems are not possible, according to Bayer, as they have negative strain, but they exist and much stable. Larger ring systems are not possible, but occur to eliminate angle strain.